Here's a Honda Accord. Let's get started. You have to first open up the trunk. So let's go ahead, pop the trunk. Now you will need to get a small flathead screwdriver to get this one clip out. We have to put it right over there and get the middle part of the clip out just a little bit. Now just grab the clip and get the entire clip out of there. Good. Now this is going to let you peel this carpet back, and that gives you access to the bulbs. That's the bulb holder for the inner tail light bulb. Just grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting this back into the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning, and it may take you a few seconds before the bulb holder just drops into the light and sits in flush. Once it sits in like this, just twist your right and you're done. Make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out when you're putting it back in the hole there. Good. Once it's in place, push the middle part in to secure it, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.